in the craziness yesterday. We went to the Turkish supermarket. What's this called?
Pastirma.
Again.
Pastirma.
Hallumi. Eggs. What else are we doing? Tomatoes.
Yeah.
Tomatoes.
You don't fry them.
It's raw.
Yeah.
I don't like raw tomatoes.
Okay. You can fry them. Leave some non-fried. Fry some for yourself.
Yeah.
There's no point making extra washing because you're not going to fuck them up. You can fry together separately.
Together?
Fry separately.
Why?
And then I'll just fry the halloumi first and then you can even grill the halloumi.
But it's all going to be, you just said you want to eat it together.
Yeah, but that gives off a like proper you still want to taste different things. It doesn't have to all taste the
It's
same.
going in your mouth, you say?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in there. It's taking forever to heat up. Which one, eggs fried?
But you'll break it into that when that's done.
What?
The sausages.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like
Cut the sausages. Sausages? Skizzers!
I hope it's nice.
Cut them in like quarters. Just like in
Yeah.
bits.
Or you're in half, but yeah.
But quarters is better if it's mixed in with the eggs.
Yeah.
Should you put oil in the halloumi?
Yeah. A little bit. Especially on the fucking barbecue. Oh, that was nice.
Oh, that's starting to crisp up now. How many eggs go in it?
Maybe like 3.
Just 3 for all of us?
It depends, yeah. If you want to put more, you can put more. There's like the sausage. So what else is in your food that you eat and like? You need food like not fish.
Nothing. I don't know how long those crab sticks have been there. They probably need to be.
Yeah, they need.
Do you put salt and pepper on the eggs or this flavours it enough?
That's flavoured, but put a bit of salt either way. I don't think you need a bit of pepper.
Cut it then, you've got the chopping board out. It's
You
raw.
don't even need to cut anything first.
Not even the eggs.
I like
I feel like I'm going to cut it so it'll go crispy on there. Ah! The cat's going crazy. Is shit scared of going in there when you're there? Huh?
Sal, do you want to put this spiralizer away? That doesn't go in. That doesn't go away. Yeah, but put the thing away as well. Want to leave it there?
Ow, I'm burning myself on the edge of the pan. Why am I doing that? Oh, did you see Sal's stories this morning when I slapped him in the face?
It's gone soggy.
What's going on?
They're melting. They're limp.
Yeah, we'll go. Just wait for it to evaporate. It's interesting, like there's a lot of spices in it.
Yeah. What are you doing that away, baby? It's quite spicy.
Is it? Nice though.
What's the nut?
Give him one.
No. Right. Spicy? That's not be fucking spicy, mate.
I know, they kill a bird, it's not much.
Well, it's not easy. Have you ever fucking a bird that's spicy? We do, chicken and turkey and chicken.
But you don't like tomatoes, Sal.
Yeah, I can't smell the plain. I don't like it. Like grilled or...
So confusing in all little weirdo ways.
How to finish the French tomorrow?
What does? Is there anything else? Check. Ah!
What's that?
The halloumi! Literally just spat all over me in my eye. Me. I have to blur that out. Ah!
It's not cooking.
That hurt. Just wait for it. Look, it is browning. So it's cheese. There's like water and stuff in it. It has to evaporate first.
Maybe there's a little oil.
Put oil in it.
I'll get rid of it.
No, you've got it.
Probably not, so I'll just leave it for next time.
Oh, right, I'm going to put the eggs in now because
Yeah,
they're like brown.
Yeah. Just gonna take it.
I only just finished chopping it.
Why? Have half.
Oh shit, the shower. Let me get it out. Okay, someone might have a bit of shell in their egg.
Where is it? Get rid of it.
I think I've got it out.
On there, go look.
Where? That's not shell. Oh, I'm going to do 5. Is that too much? I'm hungry. So I'll get rid of these eggshells, please. So. Sometimes I cook tomatoes and then I put egg in it, and it's
Really?
good. Yeah.
Colour, yeah, colour's good.
Yeah, but it tastes nice.
How many first couple?
Ow. Sal, you need to turn the halloumi. Look at it. Use that fork if you want. Is there enough clean plates ready?
Burnt, look.
It's alright, it's real. Right.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Is that one thing that you want to do?
Yep.
What? I didn't put it in.
You cut them.
Oh shit. This is small, that's why it's not cooking.
No, it's not. Let's lift it up. Oh. It's fine though. Beep.
Non-stick, that's why, innit? Sticks.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
That's not nice. That's nice. Oh, you're a special baby. Special baby.
Don't turn that off. I need to cook my tomatoes.
I can put it on this one.
My tomatoes? Yeah, so turn that one up back on.
Stop.
Yeah, look, it's stuck.
Done this one.
Look at this.
You know what? I'm just going to place it outside, otherwise you're not going to be able to eat it. It's going to be like plastic.
Someone's going to have to send me what this is called in writing.
It's very easy.
Yeah. Not much to it. But, Sal, maybe you should turn that back off. Hi, baby. Oh, I put the. Wait, hold on. Let me get the cut up your tomato.
Oh no, we just cut it up on the plate. Plates down.
Did you eat mushrooms with this?
You can do.
You don't have any, but I'm just wondering.
Yeah, mushrooms.
Is this like your guys' version of a fryer?
Kind of. But then you'll have like watermelon next to it and all that shit.
What do you want this?
What, like a fruit platter?
And like melon. No, just cut the ends off. Quite straight into it. No. There's too small.
There's a knife.
My god, tomatoes look great.
I think do half then, babe.
Not too small like that.
I want olives too. How do you cut your tomato onto your plate?
Just cut it to like chunks.
Like this?
Like quarters, yeah.
How much do you want? A whole one?
Yeah.
A whole one?
Yeah, mate.
That looks very pretty with all the colours. There's barely any halloumi on this one. Let me give it a bit more. Pretty. This is my version with the cooked tomato. That first. And then toast on the side. Delicious! I'm going to try a little bit. Mainly the eggs.
You might need some salt on it, but try it with the sauce.
That's good.
Yeah?
Halloumi. Okay, I'm gonna go eat now. I'm starving. Goodbye.
Bye!